This is going to blow your mind. Herbert Hoover saved the day with gardens. During World War I, Herbert Hoover was appointed U.S. Food Administrator. His mission was to feed the U.S. Army and its allies while keeping America well-fed. So what did he do? He got innovative. Hoover encouraged Americans to plant victory gardens, personal gardens, where people grew their own veggies. And guess what? Over 20 million Americans took up the challenge. These gardens popped up everywhere, backyards, rooftops, even vacant lots. Thanks to these victory gardens, food consumption in the US decreased by 15%. Hoover's idea wasn't just practical, it brought communities together and showed that everyone could make a difference. So next time you bite into a fresh tomato, remember Herbert Hoover and his victory gardens revolution.